Hi everyone out there at the Devon Horse Show. My name is Chef Roth with Catering By Design, and today we're going to show you how to make a lobster roll. So let's get started. We're going to need, to begin with, some lobster, shrimp, celery, tarragon, mayonnaise, salt, butter, rolls. I believe you can find a decent brioche roll at Whole Foods. First, we're going to put half a lemon in there, and bay leaf. I like to toast my bay leaf, brings out the flavor, and aromatics. Can you smell that? You'll smell it in the air. Then we're going to drop our lobster tail in. This should take about 5 minutes. That's a 6-ounce tail. While we're cooking our tail, we're going to drop our shrimp in as well. These are going to take about a minute and a half. Those are 21, 25 shrimp, peeled and cleaned. We buy quick peels, or you can use 3140 or even medium shrimp. While we're waiting for that, I have a pot with ice water here. We're going to shock our lobster tail in. Our shrimp we do not shock. We're going to add them right to this pot here and put them in the refrigerator. Then through the magic of TV and the internet, I will have shrimp that have already been cooked and cooled so we can make our salad. All this can be found at Seafood USA, which is located in Devon, I believe, or Wayne. So our shrimp are about ready. We're going to pull them out. We don't want to fully cook them. We want them to be about 3/4 of the way cooked, and they're going to carry over as they cool in the refrigerator. So, great. For our lobster tail, we probably have a minute and a half left on that. We're going to get the ingredients for the rest of the lobster already. So, we're going to need a spoon and a bowl. I have some tarragon here, which I picked, and we're going to put a real light chop on that. We're going to add some celery to this. Our claw and knuckle meat, which is pre-cooked. You can find this at Seafood USA, as I mentioned earlier. Otherwise, you could buy a whole lobster and cook it. Take about 5 minutes, just as long as the tail. But then you'll need to clean take the meat out of the claw and knuckle. We're gonna add our shrimp to this. We're gonna pull our lobster. Our lobster tail has been chilling in our ice bath. We're gonna take it out. Find the easiest way to do this if you don't want the tail to be whole, just to cut it right in half. It does require a sharp knife. And going to roughly cut it. We're going to throw some butter in there. I like lots of butter. It makes everything taste better. But use what you feel comfortable with. After we add our shrimp, we're going to add our lobster meat, which I removed from the tails. As our butter starts to melt, we're going to switch that around and add our lobster rolls. Make sure we get them nice and buttery. Mix this up while we're waiting. Use a tad bit of salt. Maybe a dab more mayonnaise. I forgot one of the most important things. Lemon zest. This adds a nice brightness and citrusy flavor to it. The lobster, the shrimp, and the tarragon, brightness of the lemon zest. good color. Here we have our Devon lobster and shrimp roll. Thanks for joining us here at CBD and or Catering By Design. And hopefully we'll see you next year at the Devon Horse Show Country Fair.